How to use ChatGPT in Italy. Hey guys, welcome back to this new video in which I am going to show you that how to use ChatGPT in Italy without any error. So let's get into it. First of all, you just need to get a VPN which is named as the NordVPN. Before moving to any explanation, I would like to inform you that this is the only way to use the ChatGPT in Italy. So you must follow the video step by step. First of all, you just get this VPN. You can also use any of the free VPN, but the reason behind using the NordVPN is that you will get the disconnection error while using the free VPN again and again, and such type of the errors and the distortion with the stuttering in your ChatGPT while using. So you must try this NordVPN and you will get a smooth internet connection without any instructive ads, and it will provide you the best and the leading VPN services, so you will be able to access or use the ChatGPT smoothly in the Italy. So you must get this VPN via the link that I have shared in this video's description, as if you get this VPN via the link in the description, then you will get 63% off with the 3 extra months. So you must get this VPN first and then connect the server of the France or the Paris to the VPN and then try to enter the website of the ChatGPT, and you will be able to access or use ChatGPT in Italy without any error. So that's all for this video. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. I hope it was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.